tips and updates. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is @quickrecipes123. There I share the live updates of what I do and what I eat.
This is the multi-cuisine restaurant of the Hyatt Hotel, which is located in Gurugram. I will leave a link of this property's location in the description box. I am very impressed from how this place looks like. Behind the buffet counter, there is the live kitchen where we can see how our food is getting prepared. Restaurant is connected with the lobby with this huge corridor. Tomato and basil soup. Fresh tomatoes are cooked until creamy and it is seasoned with the perfect amount of black pepper.
Tomato basil soup. It is a tad bit sweet, but it is good. Although I don't really prefer sweet tomato soup, but this one is okay. Because I am vegetarian, so I have opted for this soup, and for the non-vegetarian option they have chicken manchow soup. Now I will quickly finish my soup and I will meet you with something different.
In the starters we have potato and chickpea salad and dahi papdi chaat.
Now I am going to try the starters, which is potato and chickpea salad and dahi papdi. Here's the first bite of potato salad. This smells good. It is not great, but it is fine. This is basically आलू चाट बट ठंडी वाली. पटेटोज़ इन्होंने फ्राई किए हुए हैं और उस पर उन्होंने ग्रीन चटनी डाली है, टैमरिंड चटनी डाली है. एंड हियर वी ऑल्सो हैव सम चिकपीस with the same dressing, of course, not too mushy but not raw, and they have also garnished it with some finely chopped tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes, so I will stick to potatoes only. This is the dahi papdi. I have a feeling that papdi has gone soggy. अच्छा रहता अगर ये लाइव काउंटर रखते हैं इसका, तो क्रिस्पी पापड़ी खा सकते थे आप, बट लेट्स ट्राई दिस वन. ओके, आई टेक माई वर्ड्स बैक. पापड़ी इज़ नॉट वेरी सॉगी, क्रंच थोड़ा बाकी है और सॉसेस सेम है. मिंट चटनी, टैमरिंड चटनी, दही. दिस वन इज़ गुड. आई लाइक पापड़ी चाट. In the non-veg they had the chicken Hawaiian salad. Between the potato and chickpea salad and papdi chaat, I prefer papdi chaat and I highly recommend this.
From the Pan Asian section, I have opted for Manchurian, Hakka noodles and honey chili cauliflower.
Now I am going to try the Chinese cuisine at this place. First bite of Hakka noodles. Hakka noodles are quite bland, but I think if you pair it with Manchurian, they will be great. Now let's try Manchurian. बहुत ही छोटी छोटी क्यूट balls है Manchurian की. Looks tempting to me. Now let's give it a try. First bite. This thing is super hot. सॉस बहुत अच्छी है इसकी. सरप्राइजिंगली इट्स नॉट स्वीट. यूजुअली स्वीट होती है एंड आई हेट स्वीट फूड, सो दिस वन इज़ रियली गुड. नाउ आई विल पुट जनरस अमाउंट ऑफ सॉस ऑन माई नूडल्स एंड देन वी विल ट्राई इट अगेन. Noodles with Manchurian sauce. is absolutely amazing. Another Manchurian ball. Honey chili cauliflower. I don't like honey, so I'm going to dip it in the Manchurian sauce and then give it a try. Okay, this one is sweet as expected because of honey, but not too bad after dipping in the Manchurian sauce. So cauliflower is soft and steamy inside and super crunchy outside. Also, it is coated with sesame seeds, which adds a nutty flavor to it.
From the Indian section, I have opted for veg biryani, dal makhani, aloo gobi, and some fried papad on the side.
Now I am going to try the main course from Indian section. And the first thing I'm going to try is vegetable biryani, which is my favorite. I absolutely love this dish. Vegetables are fresh, spices are fragrant, so rice quality could have been better. Otherwise, it is a nice dish. Dal makhani. It is good. I absolutely love the dal makhani. थोड़ी सी टैंगी है, but अच्छी लग रही है वो टैंगीनेस. Now I'm going to try dal makhani with veg biryani. अच्छा है खाना. दाल मखनी और राइस का कॉम्बो अच्छा है. If you like breads, then I would suggest you to have your dal makhani with some naan rather than veg biryani. वैसे मेरे को नान इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता, but I might order it in some time, maybe, I don't know. In the curries we have paneer makhani and I don't like paneer, so मैंने लिया नहीं. आप ले सकते हो. और दूसरी चीज़ जो थी वो है आलू गोभी. आलू के बड़े बड़े चंक्स हैं और कॉलीफ्लावर के भी, उन्हें डीप फ्राई किया हुआ है, फिर स्पाइसेस में सॉटे किया है. तो लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई. आलू गोभी मेरे को इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगी, घी जम गया है इस पर, मे बी दैट्स द इशू. सो स्पाइसेस वगैरह सही हैं. वी ऑल्सो हैव सम फ्राइड पापड़ हेयर. दीज आर नाइस फ्रेश एंड क्रिस्पी पापड़. तो इन सब चीज़ों में से मुझे दाल मखनी सबसे अच्छी लगी एंड वेज बिरयानी इज़ ओके. इफ़ यू लाइक राइस टू मच लाइक मी, तो यू कैन हैव दाल मखनी विद वेज बिरयानी.
I had gulab jamun to end my meal on a sweet note.
इट इज़ द ओनली वेजिटेरियन डेजर्ट हेयर. इंडियन स्वीट में खाली गुलाब जामुन था और पेस्ट्रीज के अंदर एग था. It's not the best but not the worst. This is okay. If you want to have something sweet really badly, then you can have it.
My overall experience at this place was good and I definitely recommend it. Now I will be going back to my room. Stay tuned for more such videos.